Hi everyone, it's a Saturday night. The house is empty, quiet. Okay, what I'm making for you today is another Italian cookie. I have 2 sticks of softened butter in this mixer, to which I'm going to add 1 3/4 cup of confectionary sugar. Mix this up until it's well blended. Add a pinch of salt and the eggs one at a time. There's 2 eggs in here and 1 egg yolk. So I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And I have a half a teaspoon of baking powder I'm adding to the 2 3/4 cups of flour. And I added like 4 tablespoons of milk to loosen up the batter a little bit. It was too thick. Okay, so now I'm going to take it and put it in the pastry bag and line the sheet with it. All right, so it's a little bit better now, although I think it could use a little bit more milk, but look at that. Okay, so this is what they look like before they go in the oven. You have to chill them for about 20 to 30 minutes and then put them in a 350 oven for about 15 minutes. I'll show you when they're done. Okay, so I took about a cup or so of chocolate bits and I melted them. And now I'm dipping the cookies in the chocolate. I hope you make them for Christmas. And until my next video,